गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। 5.3 में एक बार फिर हम आपको बताते हैं कि जो क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड तक हमने आपको होमवर्क दिया था उसमें आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से काम किया है। और अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पे देखिए आप। हाउ मेनी टर्म्स ऑफ एपी? एपी वी हैव 9, 17, 25. 9, 17, 25 up to must be taken to give the sum. Give the sum 636. This is the important part. How many terms we have to take? How many terms we need? In which, if we add these all terms, then the sum must be 636. Then we know that the sum of the formula Sn we have is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But in this question we have the sum is 636 and we don't have, but we have to find it. And 2a means 9 plus again and we don't have, the 9 minus 1 into d. D means difference of two terms, consecutive two terms. 17 minus 9 is 8. You can write here a is equals to 9 and b is equals to 17 minus 9 is equals to 8. And we use all these two values in this formula, and what we get, this one is 636, this one is n by 2 into, this one is 18 plus this one is 8n minus 8. Again, when we simplify this one, what we get in this bracket, when we solve it, 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 8n. We can take 2 as a common in this bracket and cancel it by 2, and this one change, or you can write this one, this implies 636 is equals to n into what we have, 5 plus 4 n. How? This 2 will divide all these two terms. This one is 5, this one is 4, and this one what we get. Again we can change it as a quadratic. 5n plus 4n square, and if we transfer here, minus 636. Here is nothing, so we can write this one is 0. Now simplify this equation, and what we get, 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equals to 0. And here the result, we have to find two numbers. When we multiply these two numbers, we result first and last term, and when we difference, our difference will be 5. So the method is, whenever we find such types of number, we multiply it and factorize it. So we can make simple factorization for 2 into 2. Again 636. 2 into 3, 1, 3. 3, 1, 3. 3, 1, sorry, when we divide by 2, 2 3s are 6, 3, 3. So sir, this one is wrong. How? Now when we divide it by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and 2 8s are 16. Correct? Yes. And again multiply it by 2 into 2 into 2 into, again multiply it by 2, and what we get, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and 2 9s are 18. And next multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 5s are 3 3. This is again a prime number. So when we multiply the remaining terms, what do we get? 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24, 24 to the 48. And we have two numbers. One is 48, another is 53. And I think their difference should be 5. Yes, plus minus, when we take plus minus these two numbers, and we put these numbers in this equation, or you can say that we use these factors and we get plus 53 because positive is higher number, minus 48 and minus 636 is equals to 0. Now we can take common. There is any two numbers? No sir. Here is nothing we can take common, but n we have. So this one is 4n plus 53. And last two numbers we get I think 16. 16 3 are 48. No. 12 we can take common. 12 4 and plus 53 is equals to 0. The next common is n minus 12. And this one is 4n plus 53 is equals to 0. Here we can write here n is equals to 12. Another n is equals to minus 53 by 4. It is not possible. So answer is only 12. Okay. So in this manner we can find how many terms we need to take for the sum of 636. Okay. Now the next question again we can solve here. And the next one is, I think question number 6 we can solve. After this, and fifth is also the same number we can solve in the same manner. And in the question number 6, we have the first and the last term of an AP 17 and 350. First means A and last means L. We have first and last term 17 and 350. This one is 17 and this one is 350. We have common difference also is 9, means the value of D again 9 we have. Then what we have to find in this question, how many terms there and what is their sum. Simple and the same question of A is D is given and the sum is given here, but not the sum is given but last term is given, A, D and last term. So we can find n. How much? With the help of Sn, so we can write if last term is given, then we apply another formula of sum, and that is Sn n by 2 into A plus L. N by 2 into A plus L. But here we must have Sn, but we have only L, means last term. So apply first one is, and the formula of L is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. The last term is 350, A is 17 and we have to find, and D is 9. This is 350 is equals to 17 plus 9 and minus 9, and this one we can write 350 plus is equals to minus 9. How much? 8 plus 9n, and this one 8 we transfer here, then 342 is equals to 9n. And when we multiply or divide 9 by this number, what we get? 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 7, 9 8s are 32. 9 8s are 32. 9 8s are 72. Okay, the 7 and these are 27 plus 7, 34. Yes, the n is 38. So we can apply Sn. We have to find n of Sn. Check it. We have to find just how many there are and what will be their sum. We have to find both the number of terms, the first answer, and sum. This one is as 38 and this one is 38 upon 2 into A plus L. A means 17 and L means 350. And what we get? This one is 19. 19 into 350 and 17. 367. Now multiply these two numbers and get the answer. 367 multiply by 90. 9 7s are 63. 63. 9 6s are 54. And this one is 60. Again 6. 9 is 27. 27 over 6. 33. And this one is 7 6 3. This is 3 7 9 6. And answer. So we have to use another formula of sum, Sn n by 2 A plus L, and how we have find the value of n if last term is given This is the process of next question, and this is the process of fourth. Same process, but here we have to find only n, where n after that Sn. Here Sn is given, here last term is given. To mind the difference of these questions. Now pause the video and next question see, please. Now students, question number 8 पे आते हैं हम. Question number 8, we have second term, third term, and we have to find as 51. Sum of 51 terms. What we have given, first of all, as check second. Second is A plus D. A is first, A plus D second, A plus 2D third. Then second is given A plus D. It is 14. And now check the third means A plus 2D is equals to 18. Now we have to find as 51. The formula of sum is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, and n means 51 minus 1 into d. The urgent need is the first term and the common difference. With the help of these two equations, we can find the value of a and d. So eliminate this one by subtracting. Sign will change when we subtract. These two numbers are cancelled. Then minus d is equals to minus 4. 14, 18, 18 minus 4. Yes, the value of d is 4. After using this value in the equation number 1, we get the value of a plus 4 is equals to 14. The value of a is 10. A is 10 and d is 4. Apply these two values in this equation and we have to find the sum of 51 terms. 51 by 2 into 2. A means 10 plus 51 minus 1, 50 into d. D is given 4. Yes. 51 by 2 into this one is 20 plus 200. And we get 51 by 2 into 220. This one is 110. After multiplying these numbers, what do we get? 51, 11. This one is 0. 11 1 is 11. 1 carry. 11 5 is 55. This one is 56. And this one is the sum of 51 terms of AP whose second term and third term are given. After that, the question number 9th and after that 10th part second. Check what we have. We have nth term. An is given and we have to find first 15 terms. Before that, we have to find first term, second term, common difference, such types of terms we can find with the help of this one. Here, nth term is given. We don't have first term, second term, but we can put use n is equals to 1, 2, 3, and so on. Whatever we need, the first put 1, then a1 is 9 minus 5 into 1, and this one is 9 minus 5, 4, and the second one is 9 minus 5 into 2, the 5 is 10, and this one is minus 1, and here is a3 is 9 minus 5 into 3, 9 minus 15 means minus 6. A1 is given, A2 is given, A3 is given, and we have to find as 15. So directly we can find first term is given, then common difference we can find with the help of these two terms. Minus 1, minus 4, that is minus 5, and we have to find as 15. As 15 formula is given. So same way Sn use apply. Sn is equals to n by 2. Here n is 15, so 15 by 2, 2a is 4 plus n minus 1 and 15 minus 1 into d, that is minus 5. So 15 by 2 into this one is 8 and this one is minus 14 5 is 70. 14 5 is 70. Okay, and this one is 15 by 2 into 70 minus, and this one is negative 62, and this one is 31. When you multiply 15 by minus 31, and that is the answer. When you multiply 15 ones are 15, 1 carry, 15 3s are 45 plus 1, 46, and this is the answer. such types of questions easily we can solve the whole exercise. But some are different, some difficult questions, some language type questions. I also try to solve 2 or 3 questions, but after that you can solve complete exercise easily. Now pause the video to note it down. Now students, check the question number 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers whose which are divisible by 6. Suppose what is the repeat like this one. Divisible number 6 are first 40. Start repeat. Yes, from 6, 6, 12, 18 up to, no need to write, but we can say that this number must be divisible by 6, and after how many terms? Let the n is equals to 40, up to 40 terms. 6 to, then very easily we can say that the a is 6 and d is also 6, n is 40. Then find the sum, simple. So Sn, apply Sn, right? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Find as 40. Then 40 by 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into again 6, because d is again given, and this one is 20. 20 into 12 plus this one is 39. This one is 39 into 6. Now 20 into 39 into 6 plus 12. 6 9s are 6 9s are 9 6s are 6 9s are 1. What's the same thing? 6 9s are 54. 5 6 3s are 18 plus 5 23. This one is 20 into, and the sum of these two numbers 2 4 6. Now I multiply this by 20. This one is 2 0. 2 6 is 12. 4 to the 8 9, and this one is 4. This is the answer. Some of the same questions we can solve the same method with the help of this Sn. We can find all the questions, but some statements may be different, like this one. The question number 16. Question number 16. Now what the statement is given, 700 is to be divided, it is to be used to given 7 cash prize of the students in the school, and the condition is given that if each cash prize 20 less than the preceding price, means we have Sn is 700, but 7 cash prize means as 7 is also given, and preceding difference is 20. What we have? Each price is 20 less. Each price is 20 less. It's a preceding, means common difference. Each price is 20 less, means the common difference is minus 20, because every term less when we subtract something, and d is given as 7 is given, n is understood n 7, but we don't have a, we don't have a, and what we have to find? We have to find simple prices, means a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, such type of questions. Sn means apply here. We use as 7 is equals to 7 by 2 into a plus 2a plus n minus 1, 7 minus 1 into d means minus 20, and this is given 700, and this is cancelled by 7 because multiple number is 100. When we cross multiply it by 2, then we get 200 is equals to 2a plus minus, this one is 6, 6 to the 12. Again, what we get? This is 2a, and this one is here 320, because this one is 120. 120 here add change to negative, change to positive, and when we add 120 to 200, then this one is 320 is equals to 2a. The value of a is 160. The a is 160. So prices are, first one is 160 after preceding 20 less 140, then 120, then 100, then 80, then 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 prices. You can write here is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, and last one is A plus 6D. Such types of you can find all terms. The question is very simple, but the statement is some different. And again the question we have, question number 18, a spiral. We have a spiral, and every time its radius is increasing. Which one is question number 18? We have a spiral, and where every time its radius is increasing. Radii we have. Question number 18, in a spiral, radii 0.5, after that 1.0, after that 1.5, such types. This spiral is continue after 13 consecutive terms, n is equals to 13. Then what we have to find? We have to find total the length of such spiral is made when we use pi is equals to 22 by 7. This is given. Spiral such type of take radius 0.5. This is A, this is B, and this radius is 0.5. When we take A as a center and this radius, draw a semicircle with this radius. After that, we take center as a B, and the radius is 1. This is 1, and again a semicircle. Again draw a semicircle. This one is point C, A, B, C, D. Now take center this one and this one. We have to draw such types of 13. Then we have to find total length of this spiral. Means how? First of all, this one is pi r. This one is pi r 1, because circumference is 2 pi r total, but this is half circle. Then we take pi r plus this next round pi r 1 plus next round pi r 2, 1, 2, 3, after pi r 13 spirals. We have 13 times revolution, and we have to find a sum. So take common, pi is common, and we get r1, r2, r3, and r13. Now put these values. Pi is 22 by 7, and this is an FP. Write this one 0.5 plus 1.0 plus 1.5 plus. Then find the sum. After this, you multiply 22 by 7 and find it the result. This one is 22 by 7, and this one is how many numbers? N is equals to 13. Here A is equals to this one 0.5, and D is equals to again 1 minus 0.5. So use n by 2 Sn as 13 is equals to n by 2, 13 by 2 into 2A, 2 into 0.5 plus n minus 1, 13 minus 1 into D again 0.5. So apply here 22 by 7 into 13. This is 13 by 2 into this one is 1.0. This one is plus 12 5 is 60 and 6.0. And again we get 22 by 7 into 13 by 2 into 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is cancelled, 2 is cancelled by 11. Then 11 into 13. What do we get? 13 ones are 13, 1 carry, 13 ones are 13, 1, 14. This is the centimeter of the length. This is the spiral of the question. So students, complete solve this exercise, and this will have 20 questions, and all questions related to formula Sn. So important question, important formula. Applying whole exercise 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and learn it and solve all the questions with the help of this question. Now today solve this chapter. After that tomorrow I think we will discuss about the new topic. Till then, bye bye.